so much try and pivot. You're just going to you've already felt the pivot. You don't have to try and do anything more. Feel just the pace to match that. Excellent, excellent.
That's just what I need to click in my head.
Yeah, so it's not like you're thinking pivot. The drill gives you the feel of your body, so all you're trying to do is then kind of match the swing of your hands, arms, and club with that.